Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in essentials: domain, reliable hosting, and WordPress itself. Do this now so infrastructure is stable. Once installed, enable HTTPS and pretty permalinks to help SEO and sharing. Make an admin account with strong credentials and two-factor for security. Next, pick a lightweight marketing theme that supports page builders because performance matters. Install core plugins: an SEO plugin to control metadata, a caching plugin for speed, and a form plugin to capture leads. Those are your first actionable moves. Once the basics are in place, you dive into structure and details. Customize header, footer, and global styles via the customizer or a child theme so future updates don't break custom code. Create core pages: home, services, about, blog, contact, and place obvious CTAs to drive conversions. Configure your SEO plugin. Set titles, meta descriptions, and XML sitemap. Integrate Google Analytics and Tag Manager for tracking. Finally, wire forms to email or CRM and test submissions, because data and conversions guide ongoing work. To finish, optimize every page. Use clear headings, target keywords naturally, add image alt text, and compress media. This improves speed and SEO. Make sure responsive layouts work on all screens and run a final accessibility and performance check. Activate automatic backups and a security plugin, then enable CDN and SSL. When you launch, monitor traffic and conversions, and run a /B tests on CTAs to iterate. If something breaks, first clear caches and CDN, then flush or reset permalinks. This fixes most permalink and display problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.